Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple and easy Sri Lankan style mixed vegetable curry. Here I got few vegetables, everything steam about 8 to 10 minutes, just tender. For this curry you can add any types of vegetable. I got cauliflower, carrots, potatoes, green beans, everything cut into bite size. And also I'm going to add frozen peas. Chopped 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and fresh coriander, finely crushed ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some spices, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can add less or more spices, it just depends on your preference. Half cup of vegetable stock, thick coconut milk. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, I'm going to add cumin seeds. Just make sure oil is hot enough. Fry this about 5 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to add ginger garlic. Now I'm going to add onion. Stir and fry them till they soften. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. And now spices. Just fry about few seconds. Make sure it doesn't burn. Now tomatoes. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Some salt. I'm going to add vegetables and mix everything. Now frozen peas. Give a good stir and cooked for 2 minutes and just put the lid on. Stir them around for a bit. Now a vegetable stock and half cup water. Now bring it to the boil and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now coconut. Continue to cook another 4 to 5 minutes and put the lid on. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and give a good stir. Just taste the sauce. It's so much flavor. Now turn off the heat, sprinkle with fresh coriander. They're completely done. Simple, easy and healthy. It's perfect. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.